Hi there, this is Watson from 911 Studios. Today we're going to take a look at the XS Power D3400 XS Series 12V 3300 amp AGM high output battery with M6 terminal bolt. That is a mouthful, but this lead acid battery is made for performance and racing, and the AGM is the absorbed glass mat, which means you can mount this in just about any position. And it's got ultra low internal resistance, it's spill proof, sealed, and valve regulated, and vibration resistance. So go nuts. It's got 314 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.7 out of 5. High performance indeed. And if you like XS Power but need a slightly different specification such as voltage or amperage, check out XS Power's other batteries on the listing. Chances are they've got what you need. So now let me share with you a helpful review from verified purchaser David W. XS Power D3400, holy moly power Batman, this battery is awesome. If you're in the market to buy a battery, whether it's for upgrading your sound system or to simply replace your old battery, then this is it. It's going to last 10 plus years, it's a direct fit, and it's durable. Oh yeah. This bad boy is hefty. It bolts right on like a champ. It comes with the M6 terminal bolt, and you can bolt things right up. Heavy duty for sure. I've run my radio with the car off with a big sound system for over an hour, and my car just started right up. Nice. So there you go. If you're looking for extreme and long-lasting performance in a battery, check out this XS Power 12V battery today. You're gonna love it. The CHINS 12V lithium iron phosphate deep cycle battery can support 2,560 watt power output, which is perfect for the RV, caravan, marine, home storage, or off-the-grid power. And although we're looking at the 12.8 volt 200 amp hour version, CHINS makes several other different varieties and different amperage hours and voltages, so check those out. CHINS makes an excellent battery. This battery comes with a 10-year warranty and provides 2,000 to 5,000 cycles, compared to 300 to 500 cycles in a lead-acid battery. So the lifespan of these lithium iron phosphate batteries is 8 to 10 times that of standard lead-acid batteries. And the weight is about 30% lighter than a lead-acid battery of the same capacity. It has no memory effect, and no matter what state the battery is in, it can be used as soon as it is charged. This deep cycle battery is built for longevity and uses automotive-grade lithium iron phosphate cells with a higher energy density, more stable performance, and greater power, so it lets you use the battery more freely. And it's actually more cost-effective when factoring in time and cost. The battery has a built-in management system, or BMS, to protect it from overcharge, over-discharge, overcurrent, and short circuit, with an excellent self-discharge rate. The built-in high-temperature cutoff prevents charging over 122 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 degrees Celsius. Plus, these kind of batteries are safer than lead-acid batteries, which have no protection against ground faults. So that pretty much covers the technical aspects. Now, let me share with you a little piece of a review from a verified purchaser, who said, "I've had this battery in operation for only a week, but as I've put it through its paces, it has more than lived up to my hopes. After my purchase, I received an invitation from CHINS, the manufacturer, through Amazon for any questions I might have. I've had a few casual operational questions, which I submitted through Amazon, and the company has come back overnight with thorough answers. They are obviously very customer driven." Well, there you go. Great battery, great customer service. Order yours today, you're gonna love it. And today we have the CHINS 12V 100 amp hour lithium iron phosphate deep cycle battery. With 2,000 to 5,000 cycles, each battery can support 1,280 watts of power output. It's perfect for RVs, caravans, marine, home storage, and off-the-grid power. It has about 43 ratings on Amazon, with an average of 4.4 out of 5 stars. And if you're a fan of the CHINS brand, there are at least a half dozen other varieties of their batteries in different voltages and amperage hours, so check those out as well. This lithium iron phosphate battery provides 2,000 to 5,000 cycles, compared to 300 to 500 cycles in your typical lead-acid battery. And the service life of these batteries is 8 to 10 times longer than the standard lead-acid battery. It also weighs 30% less. Nice. This battery also has a 10-year warranty and lifetime technical support service. These also have a battery management system built in to protect it from overcharge, over-discharge, overcurrent, and short circuit, with excellent self-discharge rates. These types of batteries can also be safer than lead-acid because they have protection against ground faults, which lead-acid batteries do not. Now let me share with you a fun review from David E. Rowland, a verified purchaser. I'm using this battery to build a carry-around power box, such as the one used in ice fishing. I like the fact that this has a built-in carrying handle on the top. It holds a charge at 13.3 volts and does the job. Very good value for the price. Nice. So there you go.